Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create Gmail account on my iPhone. So I'm provide full solution step by step, so don't skip my video. At first open your mail apps, or if you want to using Gmail, so I'm open my mail apps using this. Click on to Google. Okay, and then showing you to create account, just click on to enter first name, enter your first name and last name, or if you have middle name, so add. Okay, press on to next and enter your birthday, select month, select gender, click on to next, and Google recommend choose this address, or if you want to customize your own. Okay, and click on to next. That username is taken, so select different, click on to next. Okay, enter your password. Okay, at the same password, press on next and enter your recover email address, click on to next, click on next, and rate this criteria and click on I agree. Click on to continue. Click on continue. So look here, now successfully create my new Gmail. So look here, my email address. So that's it, that's how you can do it.